We just learned the long vowel O. O. Welcome back, and if you made it until this far, that means you are ready to read longer words and long vowel sounds. On today's video, we are going to be learning the long vowel sound OO. OO. Now, with this sound, it's a bit tricky because the letters used do not represent OO. OO. So instead, when two O's are next to each other, they change the sound to OO. OO. Now let's practice words with the sound OO. OO. Let's start. Ooh, n, moon, b, oo, k, book, f, oo, d, food, s, oo, n, soon, oo, n, moon, b, oo, k, book, f, oo, d, food, s, oo, n, soon. Now it is your turn. Good job. Now I want you to practice these words over and over again until you can independently read and write them. And until then, please make sure that you like and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so that when I upload the next video on a different series, I'll be teaching special sounds. You are notified. Until then, bye.